Hello friends, welcome back to Chef Gayathri's Kitchen. நம்ம சேனலை நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தீங்கன்னா மறக்காம subscribe பட்டனை ஹிட் பண்ணுங்க. நம்ம சேனல்ல வெறும் quick and easy recipes மட்டும் தான் வந்துட்டு இருக்குங்க. பார்த்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க. While wishing for something better. இந்த வீடியோல மலாய் எக் மசாலா எப்படி குவிக் அண்ட் ஈஸியா பண்றதுன்னு காமிச்சிருக்கோம். பார்த்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்க. Unspoken, we fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you, or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time. If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you, or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No. Maybe you don't wanna know, you don't see what you have in front of you, or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned to Chef Gayathri's Kitchen YouTube channel. Bye bye.